With this little purse is everything. Like, you can fit so much in here. You don't even need like your own wallet. Let's put a little bit of lipstick on. I just got this Say lipstick. It's the Glossy Bounce in Push, and I really like it. Coming to you from my bed, I wanted to talk to you about some stuff. I've slowly been curating my fall and winter wardrobe. I'm gonna do a video soon on everything, but for this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about Kotn. So this portion of the video is kindly sponsored by Kotn. I have 4 things that I'm gonna show you guys and I'm gonna be wearing throughout this video that I picked out, and I love them all so much. You can just tell. You can tell that everything is made to last, very good quality. You go on their site, you don't feel overwhelmed. It's one of those stores that you can just mix and match everything, very capsule wardrobe-esque. So they believe in conscious creation and consumption, and they actually have something called a ground up approach, which means that they source their cotton directly from the Better Cotton Initiative or from small family-owned farms in Egypt. And with each purchase, they actually give back to their farming communities. So it's a cycle that I love and that I would happily be a part of. This sweater, I've been wearing it on my shoulders on hot days. You can either tuck it in. I went for a size up so that I can be able to tuck it in. But if you want something that's a little bit more cinched, because it does have this band in the bottom, you can just go for your actual size. I also got a just basic black long sleeve. You can tell that it's not the kind that's gonna like stretch out with wear. It retains its shape, but it's not super thick. It's great for me because it's not gonna be too hot. I'm either in a t-shirt or in a tank top 95% of the time. Adding in textures, adding in different fabrics. It's something that I do a lot, and I didn't own a tank top in like a knit fabric. It just looks so good. And I also, this is probably my favorite thing that I tried from them. I think these are called their Plaza pants. This is in their herringbone. They make them in a couple of different colors. I need every color. I love these 4 pieces, and I need more things from them because I can just tell that they're gonna be pieces that I'm gonna wear so much. So very excited for these. So a couple more facts from them. They're actually a certified B Corp, and they're ranked 4th highest clothing or apparel B Corporation in North America. And they've also been voted best for the world and community by B Corporations. Overall, very beautifully conscious brands that cares a lot about the quality of the pieces that they put out. So thank you so much, Kotn, for sponsoring this portion of the video, and I will be styling all of their pieces throughout this video, so you guys will see them in action. So I'm at a point already where Arrow knocks things down, and I have to form a barrier. I have to form barriers like near tables and stuff so that he doesn't knock everything off the tables, because he's already tall enough. Like, he'll get up on a table and he will knock everything off the table. So I have been slowly baby proofing our house. We took out our coffee table. It is in the garage now. I just have the ottoman in the middle. I'm sorry, I'm like, my head's cut off. I'm just doing stuff around the house while he's napping. Let's see how long he naps. to my office because it is just not working out for me right now. I think that this wall needs something. It's long overdue. So I want to get something inexpensive, you know, something for now until I could find a good vintage piece that I like. Something that I like to do when I just have a million other things to do around the house is find like placeholder items that I can repurpose. I don't like to rush things, but I do want to start using this room to film, and I want to have like a permanent setup in here, so I want to have a nice background. And I saw a setup that I liked on Pinterest. I'm pretty sure that they're using the Ikea shelves in the inspo, and I really like how it looks. And then I want to slowly just buy some like pottery or vases and little vintage pieces to put on the shelves. And I did get some prints, which I got it from a website called, I think it's Vintage Supply, which they actually print the prints for you on like a really nice paper, and it looks and feels very like high quality. So I got this one for the guest room, and this one for my office. It's just like a woman looking to the side. So I don't know if I'll put it like, once I have the shelves, I'll see if I put it like above the shelves. Please excuse my desk, it's a hot mess, but I originally got this to put it here because I feel like since the windows are off-centered, it just looks kind of weird not having something here. So I'll see if I want to put this here. Yeah, that mirror's not going there. We just took that out of the guest room. I have to find a place for it or sell it. So I'll probably just mount a mirror on the wall to get it out of the way because I need to utilize as much space in here as possible. So yeah, I really like this painting. So I bought this print for here. For sure I want a wood frame, I think. I don't know if I want to do like dark wood, but this is where it's gonna go. At least for now. I change things up like every 5 minutes. But isn't it pretty? It's like a matte paper and there's like texture and stuff on it. Like it looks like it was painted on the paper. Pretty cool. Got this bag from Etsy. I love it. It's so comfortable. It fits so much. It's just a nice brown like canvas bag. I woke up today with extremely bad neck pain. This happens to me periodically, like twice a year, I'd say, where I just wake up, I slept wrong or something, and I can't straighten my neck for like 3 days or so. Yeah, that is why I'm like this, and I've been like this the whole day. I don't know if you guys noticed or not. So here it is. Here are the shelves. I want to add a little greenery up here, like very minimal stems. And over here, I'm probably going to source some bigger vintage vessels to just like kind of fill this space. This is my journal. That is my iPad. So it's a functional shelf. I want to be able to grab things from it. I don't want it to just be decoration. That is the painting that I talked about earlier, which I still have to find a frame for it, but I just used tape to put it up there. Okay, so if my hair is insane, it's because I just washed it today and I cannot move my neck. So I couldn't do anything to it. So I just put it up in a clip very badly because I just can't. I had to ask Roger for help. So this rack over here needs to stay because this is how I organize myself and I have nowhere else to put it for now. I have it on wheels so I can move it around. Behind it, I want to mount the same mirror that I have in my living room, which is from Ikea. It's just a very simple, minimal mirror, which I think is very timeless. And yeah, I'm just gonna mount it on this wall to have it just like sleek and out of the way in front of this rack. You know when you put something up in your house and you just walk to it and look at it for like a week until you get bored of looking at it? Yeah, that's me. I already know I'm constantly going to be editing them. So yeah, I will eventually add color. I want to add greenery and stuff, but this is just stuff that I had around the house. So quick review on these shelves if you guys are planning on purchasing them. Very bad quality. Do not expect, I think they're $25 each or something like that. Do not expect something that is supposed to hold things and is also $25 to be very good quality. Okay, I read the reviews. I knew what I was getting. I strongly believe that most of the time, not all the time, most of the time, you get what you pay for. If you're paying $25 for each of these shelves, which they're pretty tall, you know, like it's not like a small little thing. It's pretty big. If you're paying $25 for something, it's not gonna be amazing quality. And I know that. I know that. They're very thin. Like this is like paper almost. Like it's like a sheet of metal. So you can't put like heavy duty things on here, which is not what I intend to use it for. So yeah, thank you so much Kotn for sponsoring this video. I've been wearing them throughout the entire video and I'm so impressed with their quality. Love, love, love the pieces that I tried, especially the pants. They're so good, so flattering, and the length is perfect if you're taller. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.